Hello everyone, this is Claire here from Raven Class, and today we're going to be looking at an experiment using magnetism. So if you're in Raven Class, you may have been learning about magnetism this week, but if not, please join in because it's really quite an easy experiment to do. All we need is a fridge magnet, so anything that looks like this with a magnet on the back. If it sticks to your fridge, it will work. So you need a fridge magnet and we need some change. So I want some 1p's, 2p's, 5p's and 10 pences. So change just like this. And to make it work for our experiment, I'd like you to have some 1p's and 2p's, some 5 pences and 10 pences. And our experiment today is just to use your fridge magnet and to test which coins are magnetic, so which coins will stick to my magnet and which coins aren't magnetic, which coins will not stick to my magnet. And I'd like you first to do a prediction. Which coins from my 1p's, 2p's, 5p's and 10p's do you think will be magnetic and which not, and why? Okay, if you'd like to stop the video here, you can do your own experiment and then watch my experiment afterwards. So here is my experiment. I have my coins. I have a mix of 1p's, 2p's, 5p's and 10p's. Some are older and some are newer. And I have my fridge magnet. So let's see, my prediction was, I thought that maybe the silver looking coins would be magnetic. So I think I'll start there. Let me try this 5p coin. My 5p coin is magnetic. Okay. Shall I try the 10p coin? Oh, this 10p coin is magnetic. It sticks to my magnet. So I'm going to put it under magnetic. Let me try a copper coin, a copper coloured coin. No, my 2p coin looks like it's not magnetic. Let's try this 1p coin. Looks like this 1p coin is not magnetic either. So it looks like my prediction was right, but I've got some more coins here. So I'm just going to make sure that I've tested everything. Test this 5p. This 5p is not magnetic. So this one definitely is. So I have to put this 5p under not magnetic. How strange. Let me try this 2p coin. This 2p coin is magnetic. Just check, that one was not. Something is happening. This 10p coin is not magnetic. So I wonder about this 1p. This 1p coin is magnetic. The prediction was wrong. It's not about the colour of the coins. I wonder what it could be. Hello again. Did your experiment work out the same as mine? Strange. I didn't know why some coins were magnetic and some weren't. So I looked on Google and I researched it, and what I found out was it depends on how old they are. So old coins are made of metal that is not magnetic, and newer coins have got a metal in them that is magnetic, so it will stick to your magnet. I'm going to explain that some more, but if you wanted to stop here, why don't you just take one of your fridge magnets and explore in your house and see what you can find that is magnetic and what you can find that isn't. And you could put it in a picture or a table and you can record your results that way. And if you wanted to send them to us, that would be amazing. So let's see what we can remember about magnetism. Can you remember that only metals are magnetic? But also anything else? Yes, only some metals are magnetic. The only metals that we find that are magnetic are iron and also metals called nickel and cobalt. But the most important one is iron. And iron is used in our everyday lives, lots and lots, because we put it in something called steel. And we find steel in our lives in lots of different places. It could be in your furniture, our cutlery is normally made out of steel. So steel is very important in our everyday lives. And that's where we find things that are magnetic. But let's find out a little bit more about our coins. Okay, you ready? So, our 1 and 2p coins used to be made of a metal called bronze, and that's not magnetic. But in 1992, which is a long time ago, that's about 28 years ago, I think, they changed them. And they made them out of steel, and they covered them in copper, so they still look the same. And I think the reason they did it was because they're cheaper. Okay, but if you pick an old 2p coin and a new 2p coin, it can be really hard to tell the difference. The only way you can really do it is by looking at the date. And if it's before 1992, it's made of bronze. If it's after 1992, it's made of steel covered in copper. Of course, the only other way to do it is to see whether it sticks to your magnet. And the same true for 5 and 10p's. Before 2012, so not so long ago, 8 years ago, they were made of copper and nickel mixed together. And then after 2012, to make them cheaper, they're made of steel covered in nickel. I think actually steel and nickel together. And again, looking at them, you can't tell the difference. You can look at the date. If it's before 2012, it's made of copper and nickel. And if it's after 2012, it's made of steel and nickel. And again, the new ones will stick to your magnet. I wonder if any other metals, any other coins are magnetic. I wonder if any foreign coins are magnetic. You could find out. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. If you wanted to do some more experiments, test some other coins, test some other objects around the house, please do so and send your results to us. Okay, bye.